welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a very special video because I'm doing my first unboxing on my channel, luxury unboxing, so stay tuned. A little backside about me: my name is Brianna. I focus on motherhood, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's something that you're interested in, be sure to hit that subscribe button. This is the box that my Chanel bag came in. It's something about these black boxes that can literally make my day go from
light to dark.
What?
Light to dark.
No, that don't make sense. It's just something about these black boxes that I love. So, should I tell you what it is, or should you keep watching?
I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it, yeah, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it, I want it, I got it. If you like my hair, she thinks just great. I see it, I like it, I want it.
Is the dust bag, and let's get it. I'm so excited. Okay. So this is the bag. I'll put the box down and make sure my hair and stuff is all together. This is the bag. Let me just rip it open for you guys. So this is a Chanel boy bag. This is old medium size. And yeah, this is the bag. She is a beauty and she has gold hardware. I'm a big gold girl. It comes with like this little bag, the authenticity card. Oh my god, I love her. Alright, this is like the Chanel thing. I'm going to post the exact color to this bag in the description, because I know some of you guys are interested in. My phone is ringing. I'm going to leave the exact color to this bag. I want to say it's a nude caramel kind of bag, just because it's not the traditional nude color. Now that's the color I really wanted. Pearly white kind of nude bag. But Chanel prices for the classic flat are ridiculous, so I'm not spending that amount on. Even the pre-loved market was the same. Reason the pre-loved market is just like, if you're supposed to be pre-loved, then like, you know, so whatever. But this is the old medium size. I'm so excited. I would leave the dimensions maybe like right here on the screen. Honestly, I don't focus too much on the dimensions. I go by sizes, so they have small, old medium, new medium. I have like a large size, so I wouldn't know what dimensions. I just was like, I want the old medium. I feel like with the old medium, this is a perfect size for you to fit your wallet, your phone. My camera won't fit in here, but it's because I have like a big bulky camera, but I'm able to fit like my wallet, some lip glosses, and that sort. The only downside I don't like about this bag is these. Sometimes things like fall out if it's too piled up, and I really don't like that. But as far as this bag, I feel like I got this color because I originally wanted the nude color. You know what? If I have to settle, a Chanel is a Chanel, and period. This is my baby. And I cannot wait to wear her. I can't wait to style her. It's crazy how she'll even compliment this outfit. Like, this is her. She is gorgeous. Like, I don't own a classic flat bag, so I can't compare the two. I only own Chanel boy bag. Little story time. Really wanted a classic flat bag. For the classic flat, the price increase is crazy. Price increase that they did recently is just a little bit too much for me. I honestly feel like I can save $1,000 and just get a Birkin if that's the case. So I haven't used the the Chanel bag as of yet, but I can show you ladies what would fit in this bag. I'm just going to take my work bag and just combine the two. So first, I have my card holder. This is the YSL card holder. I really love card holders. I'm not a big wallet girl anymore, but you know what? For the purpose of this video, stay tuned. This is like a full-size wallet. I don't know the style, but I'll leave the name somewhere on the screen. Alright. So this will fit in here. You can also fit your card holder. I usually carry this around if I'm not taking my Goyard. In here, I usually leave some like tampons and panty liners. Leave lip glosses, probably like some change. I'll add my lip gloss and I'll put it to the side. Lastly is my phone. My keys are somewhere. I don't know where my keys are, but my phone can just look. So these are all of the things that I have in the bag, and when I close it, it closes perfect. So you can fit a lot of stuff in these bags. Guess I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.